It's me, Donna, better known as Thrifttasticmom here on YouTube. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're an oldie but goodie, hey! Now, y'all know what time it is. It's September, so it's time to get ready for that fall decorating. I know a lot of people have done it early online, those big influencers and stuff, which I don't see nothing wrong with that. But I don't like to decorate so early, so I usually do it around in September. Sometimes I don't do it at all, but this year I felt like doing a little bit. I'm not going to go overboard, but I do want to do some fall decorating. But this video here is going to be an actual Dollar Tree fall edition. Yesterday I went to the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to look around and see what kind of goodies they had, if they had anything I could use that didn't look too cheesy or whatever, because a lot of stuff in there is like Halloween stuff and just stuff that I really don't want to decorate with. So because I don't have a lot of stuff for fall, y'all, I had to go pick up a little something just to kind of fill in my gaps, you know. So anyway, if you hear all that noise, that's just cats playing. They love the bags when I pull them out. But anyway, look here. This is all I have. I got these a while back at the thrift store. This is 3 set of pumpkins. I got this one little bin here, which has a throw in it, so that's taking up a lot of space. And then I have this one big bin here. That's all I have. I want to show you a picture of my building. I'll put it right here. I had to get in there and move all that crap out of the way and just so I could get to the little bit of fall stuff. And then I was kind of disappointed that that's all the fall stuff I had. I mean, one year I wanted to declutter it and kind of, you know, get rid of stuff, which I did. And then the next year I'm like, man, I don't have no fall stuff. And then you end up buying fall stuff. But a lot of my stuff does come from thrift stores. So I don't spend that much money on them. So anyway, this is a Dollar Tree haul. I just wanted to show you the few things that I did get from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to get to decorating. And in a couple days, hopefully, we will have a fall decorate. You know, it's not going to be an extravaganza or nothing, because y'all know I live in a little mobile home. This mobile home living over here. And, you know, I'm just going to put some touches out here and there. Things, what I call cat friendly, because I do have some cats in here, and they love to get in stuff. So I'm trying to make it cat friendly, hopefully, and still decorate for the season. So let's get into the haul. I thought I would start with these beautiful flowers here. I had these laying back there behind me. I had to put them where the cats wouldn't get them. They were trying to dig them out the bag. And I'll have to decorate and put these somewhere, hopefully, that the cats won't get to them. These are called dahlia bush. And they're $1.25 each, which you get 1, 2, 3, wait a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 different flowers on it, which is a good size. I didn't want a whole lot. I just thought these were beautiful. This orange, I don't know if it's coming off for you as good as it is here, but I thought these two colors together were just beautiful. So I'm on a budget and I couldn't get a whole bunch just to make this big beautiful arrangement. So I just wanted something small and simple, just in case the cats do get a hold of it. I have to think about the cats now. So I just got 4 bunches of those. I'm just going to put them, I don't know if I'm going to stick them down in a pumpkin, which I was thinking about doing. So I got those. I got this bag here. I picked up these faux leather pumpkin clips. They are in plastic. Just little, like orange leather pumpkins, and they do have the little clips on the back where you can clip them to stuff. So I picked those up. You get 3 pieces in a pack. I got 2 I got 2 packs of these maple leaves. Sorry about the glare. I was standing next to a window. It's kind of dim today, so I wanted to, I'm always pretty much recording next to a window. I got 2 packs of those. You get 50 per pack for $1.25. Always good to have leaves. Don't know where I'm going to put them yet, but I thought this was pretty. I'm kind of going for this theme. This was also $1.25 by Home Collection. I'm probably going to put that on my little ladder over there. I thought that was really pretty. I love those colors. And I have a lot of teal in my house, so I want to get stuff that's teal. And orange. I just love orange. It's hard not to decorate. I don't see how people decorate with neutral colors for fall. It just does nothing for me. This is Grateful and Thankful. I just thought that was cute. It has some oranges and plaids in it. And it just has to stand up. It don't have no thing on the back. And it was only $1.25. I thought that was pretty. I'll stick it around here somewhere. Well, my husband came in and he got like 4 packs of hearing aid batteries. I forgot he got some stuff. Those are his. I thought this was kind of cute. I think I'm going to hang this up in my kitchen somewhere. It says, October Pumpkin Spice and Cozy Nights, Autumn. I thought that was kind of cute. I'll hang that up in my kitchen. It was only $1.25. I thought it was kind of cute. To me, it looked more realistic than some of the other ones. That's what when I say cheesy. You know, if that's all you got and that you want to decorate with it, more power to you. I have decorated with Dollar Tree stuff for years. So, when I say cheesy, it's just stuff that don't look realistic to me. Now, this ain't crazy realistic, but it looks more realistic than some of the other things. So I went ahead and got that just to probably hang up back here in my kitchen. This I thought was nice. I actually got this off the $5 section. I've got where I've been burning more candles lately. Really nice. I'll just burn it for a little bit till it like starts throwing off some scent, and then I'll just let it, I'll blow it out and let it just kind of sit there and simmer. It still smells really good. I thought it was pretty though. Look at that paper on it. It's so pretty. The colors are perfect. Pumpkin Bourbon High Scented Candle. And it does smell really good. It's a 3-wick also. And the one I went in, it had like 3 different scents. Oh, that does smell good. It smells kind of like the other one I got back there, but it smells very fall, y'all. Very pretty. So I went ahead and got that. Now, I did have to pay $5 for that because it was on the $5 aisle. Because Dollar Tree ain't Dollar Tree no more. You know what I mean? Now, these, I saw these and I was like, I gotta have these. And you're gonna know where they gonna go, because if you follow me and you watch me, you know that I have plate hangers hanging up over here beside my china cabinet. And I always like to change those plates out for the season. So when I saw these, I have seen these in there before, but I just never got them. So when I saw these, I was like, oh, these would be perfect for my little plate hanger over there on the wall. Can't wait to put them up. Those would be really pretty. And the oranges and the teal and that little bit of light tan color there will go good in here, because, you know, I got like a Pioneer Woman theme in here, so I have pink and teal and yellow and red, you know, all these different colors, so like Pioneer Woman. So I feel like all this would go with all the colors that I got in here. And then I got this one, just this little one. Yeah, it says, this one was only $1.25. This one was $1.25. This one says Thankful. And when I put them on my tray in there, I set them one in front of the other like this. I got 2 sets. I got them 2, and then I got 2 more just like them to go on the bottom one, because I got a top one and a bottom one, and I always just do them exactly the same. That's just the way I am. I don't like mix match stuff. I want it to be, you know, both of it the same thing. That's it, guys. That's everything that I got from Dollar Tree. Like I say, it wasn't a whole lot, but you know, it's enough. I don't want to go crazy, because I always do go more crazy over Christmas decor. So I didn't want to go too crazy with fall and then have to take that down and put Christmas out. So, but I do love the colors of fall, so I have to put some in here, you know what I mean? But anyway, make sure that you check back in with me. I can't promise you what day. I have never promised days on uploads. I just, especially now that I have to do things when I feel like I can because of my hip. But I never promise. I have never promised days. I do not like to put that kind of pressure on me. I don't want my channel to be pressuring something that I don't enjoy doing. So I don't like to say I'm going to start doing these every Tuesday, every Friday kind of thing. I just don't do that. It notifies you when I put up a video and you can watch it. So make sure you check back. Make sure that you are subscribed. That way you will get those notifications. And make sure that little bell's on all, and you'll see all my posts. When I do post my videos, you'll see any community posts I make or anything. If I'm just wanting to say hey, or you know, do a shout out or something, you'll see all that. So make sure you hit that bell and hit all. Anyway, I hope you do hit the subscribe button and decide to stick around and hang out with me and enjoy these holidays coming up and the holiday content hopefully coming up. Hopefully, y'all pray that I'm going to feel really good so I can be putting out some holiday content. I guess that's it, guys. Y'all leave me some comments down below. Like the video if you liked it. And I'll see you in my next video. And happy almost fall, y'all. Bye. God bless. Can't leave that out. God bless.